What's up, you guys? Today I'm coming to you with Fitaid, the company. They actually sent me a box of this stuff. Check this out. What's up, you guys? So Fitaid had sent me the box of this stuff to test out. Over here we have raspberry hibiscus, mango sorbet, peach mandarin, blackberry pineapple, and my water. My phone number's in there, my email is there, my Instagram's there. Just go give me a follow. I'm going to show you the ORP here. So obviously the air we breathe, as we all know, is aging us. It's a positive number, okay? When you're jumping into this stuff here, since it's carbonated water, you're going to get that high acidic number there, the ORP. So that high number, see that 230 over 200s. It's going to drop a little bit here as we go through. We have that positive again, 260, 270. Anything carbonated is really, really high, aging you, causing inflammation, things of that nature. This one drops a little bit here, you know, drops to like 100, positive 100 or so. Not bad, not bad. Over here then we have my water. Look at that massive spike to negative 760, 77 and climbing. Likely will go over 800. This is antioxidants. You can't eat enough fruits and veggies in one day to equal 1 glass of this antioxidants. With this stuff, it's basically like a knockoff energy drink. You still have all of these ingredients, over 25 different ingredients, and it's sitting in aluminum. Aluminum, when it heats up, goes into here, detrimental to your health. I know the guys that had started this company, I'm sure, had great intentions. I read a little bit about them, but the fact is you'll never get what this water is doing. Your entire body is made up of water. So why would you put synthetic things in there when you're working out, eating healthy and all that, but then still putting processed crap in your body? Doesn't make sense. pH will do on the middle ones here just because they're yellower or lighter colors. Obviously you can see here, they still turn orange. This one just turned a darker orange. That's just acidic. Over here, you're gonna have that dark, dark purple. And let's see what happens when you put some of this stuff in there. Look at that, instantly turns acidic. Stay away from this stuff. The best still thing is my water. Give me a follow, share this, love this, and stop drinking synthetic things.